Here we have the rear Porsche parts that we acquired today. Welcome to Tiafo Garage, where we try it and find out. On this channel, we feature DIY on some classic cars. We also chronicle the classic car ownership experience here in the San Francisco Bay Area in California.
Tiafo Garage.
So we are headed off to the High Performance House in Redwood City, which is a place where there's a bunch of Porsche parts, used Porsche parts. A lot of fun, lots of stuff. I'm going to see whether they will consider taking this roll bar that I took out of the Fat Bottom Girl, Billy, and see if they have anything to put in its place with respect to seats and rear trim. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so we're here with Rich at High Performance House in Redwood City. Yep. Rich here has an amazing array of Porsche stuff, and I'll just do a quick scan. This is just like the office. And, you know, everywhere is 911, 914. I think originated with 914 and then has now got all kinds of different Porsche stuff.
Been doing it 46 years.
And racing history, I think, on the 914.
Yeah, 20 years track records at Sears Point, Laguna Seca, Portland, Seattle, Phoenix, Tempe, Carlsbad. In my class, all those.
Okay, that's all.
SCCA road racing, yeah, 200 road races.
Okay, wonderful. Just to give you a flavor, I'll do a little walk around later, but it's just enormous. You can see all these are, you know, 914s and others right now under cover, but it's just an amazing resource here for folks in the Bay Area looking for Porsche stuff. So Lou here is going to take us out into the bowels of the warehouse. I think there's 2 or 3 floors. So this is second floor. And now we're gonna head up to the 3rd floor. I think these are sunroofs?
Sunroof, 944.
Okay. Oh, 944, got it. Yeah. So now we're on the 3rd floor. This is where the good stuff is, right? This
944.
Okay, 944, 914, 911, Longhood. So let's look for some rear seat stuff.
Okay.
Here's another row of stuff. Continue over here. Luis is looking for things for the back. Another row here. It just goes on and on and on. Bumpers. Some interior stuff. Here's some more. This looks like the chair region here. Front seats. Bumpers. Oh, there's more seats back there. This is interesting. Check what that's from. We're rummaging through here looking for good matches and good candidates. We got a couple of bottoms here and a couple of backs that are pretty close in grain. So we found a back that has a really close match to the bottom texture here. We got some speedometers, other gauges. You found another one? Okay. Here we have some steering wheels. So after much rummaging, we found 4 that have matching texture and color. These are the ones we, did not choose because they had a different grain. You can see this is smoother. So now we're hunting for these side pieces.
Oh, here.
Oh. Okay. We were unsuccessful in finding a pair of the sides that, didn't have holes in them from roll bars or whatever. So we'll have to source that elsewhere. We thought we were all set, but then unfortunately we found this one has a black back carpet and this one has more of the matching to what I have. So we're gonna go try to see if we can find another one like this. So we found a matching carpet back there and we're thinking it's probably from the same actual car. Let's lay out our other 2.
Yep.
Okay, good to go.
Good to go.
All right. Oh, you got some other stuff? Were we successful, Milo? Mostly. Here we have the rear Porsche parts that we acquired today. So we got the 2 rear seat bottoms, backs, the rear tray area thing, and then the crossbar that holds that down, and the 2 side pieces that go into the window. We did not find the trims, so I'll have to source those elsewhere. Just to show, these are original horsehair parts, and the vinyl's original too, so very nice to be able to have access to this type of thing. And he did not want the roll bar. He's trying to reduce his inventory, not add to it. So I'll sell that somewhere else. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you enjoy this type of content, please do like, share, and subscribe. It will help the channel. And we will see you next time on Tiafo Garage.